You all are now far more than power users. You're AI builders. You didn't spend your weekends, sacrifice family time to tinker and build custom workflows in Cloud. You're past that. You learned how to build AI tools with Python, how to actually get software built. We're going to continue to facilitate experiences, continue to champion those who have successfully completed the program. We know how serious an accomplishment this is, and we will strive to create the most compelling global network for you that we possibly can.
You've done more than just earn a certificate. You have invested in the skills and the perspectives that will help shape the future of your organizations and your industries. And you are now, as Matan so nicely said, you're builders for your future. You know, as AI continues to transform how businesses operate and how they compete and how you'll compete in the different marketplaces, leaders just like yourselves, you're going to understand that opportunities are abundant, especially in this new space. There's going to be risks, there's going to be strategic alliances, but you're going to be best positioned now, uniquely positioned with the skills that you have to create value, but more importantly, to drive the next wave of innovation in your organizations. And for that, you should feel very, very confident in the skills that you have.
You've all graduated from being guided by me. The stuff you've done is extraordinary. I mean, I was so proud to see that hopefully I sort of helped you take off, but I've heard from people who've designed their own CRMs, who've taken their own family businesses and then used what they learned in the program to actually create sort of processes and make them more powerful. And that's sort of very impressive. I think that because things are moving so quickly, I think you are now in an incredible position to ride that AI wave.